So, last night, after we had had one heck of a storm that I showed y'all, that was my other video of the tornado sirens and all that, and I was so proud. If you'll look, I keep my trash cans at the end of the driveway, and they stayed up. Woo, I was excited. But you know, we've had a lot of debris, and then it got real sunshiny. So I went out and filmed some of the low-lying areas that always flood, okay? And then about 7 o'clock last night, some really high straight-line wind, I mean like tornado strength wind, started happening. And again, my trash cans down there never budged. And then last night, I'm like, look, I'm letting my dog out in the backyard, and I'm standing on my back patio over here, and I'm like, oh, I can see my neighbor's shed. And then I was like, why can I see my neighbor's shed? That's because my fence blew over. Thankfully, they have, well, no, the chain link came down. Ain't that a mess? Oh, those are snapped out. It snapped out right there. So, yeah, that's just wonderful. And on top of it all, I have power, but the house next to me and those back here, mainly because of that tree, they're all without power. Ain't that some junk? But I think I came out all right. Wow. Could have been worse, and I thank God that it wasn't.